Hey guys, your Android phone can be faster and have better battery life than you think. The problem? It's buried under bloatware. These are apps from your manufacturer or carrier that you never asked for, and you'll probably never use them. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few ways to let your phone breathe. And we'll first do some simple setting tweaks. Then for those pesky undeletable apps, we'll go into more professional tools with or without a computer. So first up, the safest and easiest way is the non-technical method. Go to your settings and then apps, and you may need to tap see all apps based on what Android version you have. Find an app that you don't want, and if you see an uninstall button enabled, hit it and you're done. But if it says disable instead, use that. You see, disabling an app kills its background activity and hides it from your app drawer. And that pretty much guarantees that it's not going to run on your Android. But keep in mind that this will not clear its data. So if you want to gain some space before you disable it, go to storage from the app settings, hit clear cache and clear data. Now if both buttons are grayed out, that means it's a protected system app. So to get completely rid of it, we need to take a more technical path. But before we go that route, and if you're not willing to go that far, we can still minimize what it can do on your phone. So go to the app's permissions and just turn everything off. Then go to the app's mobile data setting and turn off background data. Finally, under battery, set this to restricted. So now that app is basically a ghost on your Android and can't really do anything. But at this point, you could still be missing something else. There are apps that have special access, and this setting can be changed from settings, apps, and if you don't see it, you can typically find it hidden inside the three dots. So when an app has special access, they can manage all kinds of things like all the apps that you have on your phone, modifying system settings, being able to install unknown apps, and many more things that can bloat your phone. So for example, I don't use Samsung Cloud, but it's apparently using 266 megabytes of data somewhere on my Android. So I strongly recommend looking at each type of special access and then taking it away from that app if you don't plan on using it. And now, to get back to those system apps that we couldn't remove before, so I've done a separate video that shows you how to do this using ADB, Shizuku, and Kanta. So be sure to check those out if you're trying to debloat your Android 100% and leave absolutely no traces of bloatware on your Android. Thanks for watching. And for more on debloating your Android, please consider subscribing to this channel.